This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix failed to send message in Instagram problem. So if you're trying to send messages but your messages fail to send, follow these simple steps to fix this issue, and the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. The first solution is log out of your Instagram account and log back in. Open your Insta application. Open your Instagram profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap on log out. Once you logged out, log back in and check the issue. And the second solution is check for update. Open your App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then update your Instagram app and then check the issue. And the third solution is uninstall your Insta application and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. And hope this solution will fix your fail to send message issues. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.